Alright guys, today I'm coming at you with a very special unboxing of the brand new 2024 Beats Pill. Let's check it out. On this side of the box, we have a pull tab. Let's pull it. There we go. The box is now open. Here's the speaker. Let's place that down over there for now. Let's see what else we get in the box. We get starter guide with a QR code. We get an Apple Music free trial with a QR. We get 2 tiny little Beats stickers. And we get a safety and handling guide plus warranty card, I'm assuming. Pluck it and file it. Also in the packaging, we get a nice long Type-C to Type-C cable. See right there? Type-C in both ends. Let's take a closer look at the speaker. So here we have it. This is the Beats Pill. I got this in black. I wanted it in red, but they didn't have the red available, so we're working with what we got here. Okay, so to power it up, you want to press the power button, which is all the way to the left side. It is now ready to pair. Okay, so we've run into a first issue. Apparently, you cannot do the one-touch setup in iOS 18 with the Beats Pill. So we're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way here. Go into settings, Bluetooth, Beats Pill. There we go. We're now paired. All right, so here we got the Beats Pill. This is the black one, as you can see. I wanted to get the red one, but the red one wasn't available. Here we have our power button right here. Here we have our voice assistant button / pairing 2 speakers together button, and on the other side we have our volume buttons. Now let's place this down and let's play a song on here. We're gonna play Where We Started, royalty-free song. It's a good tune. You guys should go listen to it. Okay, so as you can see, this song is now playing, and we can use the volume buttons to change the volume. Let's increase it. Overall, a very light speaker, and as you can see on the back, we have a Type-C port that offers support for lossless audio over Type-C. Supposedly, this speaker has a 24-hour battery life. We're gonna have to test that theory, because I guarantee if you have this thing at full blast all the time, it will not last anywhere close to 24 hours. But yeah, this speaker is awesome. Sounds great. Very light, very portable. Has this nice lanyard included. And yeah, guys, I'll be back in the future with an update video on this amazing speaker. This is the 2024 updated Beats Pill. I'll see you guys later.